Contour surveyors play a crucial role in the development and design of the built environment. In Jaewar, Noida, there is a growing demand for skilled contour surveyors who can accurately measure and map the terrain of a given area. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys to determine the elevation, slope, and other topographical features of a piece of land. By using specialized equipment and techniques, contour surveyors in Jaewar, Noida can create detailed contour maps that are essential for various construction and engineering projects. One of the key services offered by contour surveyors in Jaewar, Noida, is the creation of contour maps. These maps provide valuable information about the shape and elevation of the land, allowing architects and engineers to make informed decisions about the design and layout of a project. Whether it's a residential development, commercial complex, or infrastructure project, contour surveyors play a vital role in ensuring that the construction is carried out in a way that takes into account the natural features of the land. In addition to creating contour maps, contour surveyors in Jaewar, Noida also provide other important services. They can identify potential drainage issues, analyze soil conditions, and assess the feasibility of a construction project. By conducting thorough surveys and analysis, contour surveyors can help identify any potential challenges or obstacles that may arise during the construction process. This allows developers and builders to make necessary adjustments and mitigate potential risks before starting the project. When it comes to contour surveying in Jaewar, Noida, it is important to choose experienced professionals who have a deep understanding of the local terrain and regulations. By hiring experienced contour surveyors, developers and builders can ensure that their projects are built on solid ground, both literally and figuratively. Contour surveyors are essential to the growth and development of the built environment. There is a rising need in Jaewar, Noida, for knowledgeable contour surveyors who can precisely measure and chart the terrain of a region. These experts are in charge of conducting surveys to ascertain a piece of land's height, slope, and other topographical characteristics. Contour surveyors in Jaewar, Noida are able to produce precise contour maps that are required for a variety of engineering and construction projects by using specialized tools and methods. The development of contour maps is one of the main services provided by contour surveyors in Jaewar, Noida. In order to help architects and engineers make informed judgments concerning the shape and elevation of the land, these maps provide vital information about. The accuracy of contour maps and surveys is crucial for ensuring the success and safety of any construction project. Therefore, it is essential to hire contour surveyors who have a proven track record of delivering accurate and reliable results. In conclusion, contour surveyors in Jaewar, Noida play an integral role in the development and design of various construction projects. Their expertise in measuring and mapping the terrain is essential